In this video, you'll see everything that comes in your new intelligent fingerprinting drug testing kit. The kit arrives in a custom hard carry case, drop tested, vibration tested, and built to protect your equipment. We recommend using it whenever you travel. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to start testing right away. First is your portable drug screening reader. It's lightweight, easy to use, and delivers results in minutes. Designed for on-site testing, it gives you total control without compromising accuracy. Next, you'll receive a box of fingerprint drug screening cartridges. Each one detects a common drug group through a simple fingerprint sweat sample. A compact, integrated printer allows you to print out the results instantly, helping you maintain records and share results on the spot. Finally, you'll find a pad of 25 consent forms, streamlining your compliance and record keeping right from the very start. And that's your intelligent fingerprinting kit. Simple, secure, and smart drug testing all in one box. If you have any questions, please contact us at 01223 941 941 or email us at customersupport@intelligentfingerprinting.com.